bracing itself, or snake hides in the grass. So it's over here. Yeah. So here, the elbows come up, they're even, and I drop my weight, and then I'll wipe my elbows every time. I'm in the center because I'm going to turn. Now that's an extreme. That's part of our warm-ups. You remember? So what I'm going to do is just do the 180 faster. This crosses here. So that means the outside arm is always the one striking. You're wiping your elbows. And my feet don't move. What you're doing is you're using this. Right? And so when you got that step with it, it's even stronger. Right? You're conditioning your upper body and strengthening and conditioning your spine and your shoulders and your hips, because you've isolated your lower body. Yeah, do it as just like this, except now you're going to give it structure. Yeah, even more structure. Yeah, that's good. So you'll be like an X here, boom, X here, boom, you're wiping this elbow and turning. There you go. Perfect. See? Yeah, and the more relaxed you are, the more you feel the weight and the blood move to your fingertips, right? So it's yeah. Now this is from the basics and warm-ups. But what I'm going to show you is the next level application from striking pulling. Because you already know what striking pulling. You already know to hit. The range is closer. Thinking too much. Yeah, you're going the wrong way. So, yeah, watch. We should be this way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Now you'll realize you can do it either arm later, but right now you're learning, so you're going to do it with the outside arm. Yeah, with the intermediate advanced, you do it with both. Yeah, that's all right. This you can practice by yourself, and I want you to practice it straight. What it's going to do is give you a stronger striking point. Yeah. And here's the deal. Out. Not all your just partial breath. Up, in, you're breathing in, and you're pushing air in to your hips, into the ground, and you're sunk. My weight is still down here. In, and then right here, out. All right? Weight comes out through your nose, teeth together, tongue with your mouth. So, and it's partial breaths, not full breaths. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, relax. It's always the outside arm. So from here, you reach up, right, cross, right, cross, right, and elbow. It's simpler than it appears to be. What that does is protects you, makes you coil, uncoil, moves your energy, and allows you to grab and shift the other opponent when necessary, and keep your frame and structure proper for all sorts of other things, as well as the yeah. Don't bring it in until you wipe, and then it folds in. Wipe, and then it folds, and look, it's more than a pull. It's that folding in. But you wipe your elbow first. Because what happens when you learn how to strike with your forearms at intermediate level, you're doing the opposite. And then when you grab, like here, say if you grab me, I don't have to hurt you. All I got to do is pull my forearms in. And so you just drop my weight a little bit and you shift. All right. And if that doesn't work, because you're a really good rooter, you know how to do it, immediately. Yeah, watch. Again, do it with the idea. Relax. And but you're slapping with the palm. Slow at first like this, because that's the practice. But in reality, it's going to be. Yeah, just relax and let it do its thing. When you're doing this coiling and uncoiling, you're just relaxing into it and dropping your weight into your palm. Now, this is just the practice. Exaggerate a little more so you're doing it like this. Like you're doing it. Keep your hand up. Yeah, there you go. And then make that full waist turn. Right. Strike. In reality, we'll slow down like 30 times. When that thing comes, it's just like the normal, but that hit strike in your center, my center controls. As soon as I make that hit, usually they're coming. They stiffen a little bit, but even if they don't, it doesn't matter. I hit here before my foot touches the ground. Then it's punching through, and our body, our hips touch or almost touch. I'm in control of your body. I have your shoulders and your hips in control, and I finish the punch. And because of the flame and movement of my body, you twist, we're merged together. You twist because I'm twisting. So that's the entry. But your footwork has to be, that's why we practice those steps and lunges and things like that. Mirror. We're doing mirroring. So same side. Punch. You're going slow. That's what you want. And I'm punching quickly through your head. My intent goes straight is to hit you with my elbow through my forearm and palm. So that's the only way I can get our center close enough on your body so that I get enough of my mass to it. Almost. Remember, see how I'm sunk and you got pushed back because I'm stuck? You have to overcome that. I know I'm not easy. That's why I try to release some of my root. Otherwise, you'll never do it. So if you do it right, though, I'll go ahead and do it. There you go. Better. But you want to step forward and move the whole body. Just go for it. And I'm not emphasizing yet because we're just working on this motion. So we're here. Yeah. Come lean forward, push through. There you go. Now that's it. And a little closer. We're going to merge a little closer. But you're getting it. Yeah, a little more. I'll show you more. We'll go easy so you can feel it. Yeah. So, punch. See how close I am? And you see my elbow gets up to the front of your face. So, and I'll go real slow so you can feel the mechanics. Feel it. So you punch, and I'm entering. Notice my hand is looking for this opposite hand in case you're trying to do something funny. So here, I'm going through, and you can see if I finish, you're falling. But the neat thing is, if you step back, usually, I'd say, but you leave this, the closest that you fall, step back, you just repeat. You're going to hit me with that hand? Yeah. I just repeat. So that's what it is. So practice it in the air without me. It might just be you having to work. Yeah. But you're throwing your weight, remember, in your palm. That also means you're pouring your body in. There you go. Just like that. Good. Good. Come forward. Get it. Except in this particular technique, we're going foot to the outside. But you've got the weight transfer. So. Come. Foot me out. Yeah. That's why we're going slow. So, go slow some more. Yes, lay your weight there, just like you're striking me. You don't have to hit hard because you can see it's a continually weight forward movement. Nice. But you want to get closer. Again, I'll show you. Do it to me one more. Punch it, and notice, see how close I am? My knees here, my elbows here. You almost can't help but become. I don't have to soft the set, hip throw, anything. It's a body throw. But we're doing it. I'm merging my center and skeleton with yours. Because I'm twisting out, your skeleton's forced to twist too. You don't know what's going on. Your body like, what's this? Too late. You're fine. And you're hit very hard. That's why it works. Right. So, yeah, it's good. You got me back, but now you want to you merge, and I'll show you the difference. You see, when you're here, you can come underneath. It's easier. You can go over top too. I go over top because I'm taller. Because you're a little shorter, you go underneath. When I'm punching, you're deflecting this while you're coming forward, and then punching me. Remember, there you go. Remember how we're doing that little idea this way? Yeah. You don't do it for real, although you can in the beginning just to get that feeling. And it goes like that. But the reality of the punch is like this, but internally I'm doing this. My skeleton's uncoiling and doing that. That's why you practice it externally like that, to get that feeling and get that energy movement. But in reality, it ends up being just this.
Since you're taller, I'm actually going under your foot.
Right. Just like, that's why I've been doing it to you, so you can see. So you do a punch, see how I'm going underneath? Yeah. And I'm crashing. I'm essentially crashing your line of attack. So you do the attack, I'm letting it slide up while I'm moving forward. You know, you see how that's what you. There you go.
You gotta find an over.
Yeah. Sometimes you're kind of back and forth. But since we fight from just this regular, it can always come up, no matter how tall or short they are. Even if he's this tall, I'll just go like that. But sometimes they'll want to do, like they'll do a rising, then I'll come over the top. It doesn't matter, as long as I contact that line of attack and deflect it while I'm going in, he's going to miss and I'm going to hit. And it's not going to steal much energy from me at all, just because we make contact. A little bit, but if I have whole body power, I get it right back. So, I'll go again. Remember, mirror. So foot on the outside, just like you're doing in form. And go slow so you can get the idea. And again, now, see how you got the merge and got me started? And you're doing this. You kind of want to naturally do that. That's it. And lean on it. Your weight pours into that side of your body from this. Yeah, I feel you kind of holding me up here. Don't worry about it. I'll just step out.
Definitely would have swept you.
Oh, yeah. But you don't even need to sweep. With this technique, they literally, you strike them and they're over. If you do it right, right? Time. I'll show you what it feels like when you come closer. That way you can move this, come down, this. See that feeling? My body started doing that. I couldn't stop it. That's it. That's it. All right. Now this time, come through and throw me. I don't see anything. Some just come through and throw me. Yeah, it was, but you got the.
I think as long as I get behind your knee, you're gonna go. And
you get behind my knee and you torque my shoulder. If you do one or the other, I won't go. You have to do my entire body at once. That's why we attack upper and lower at the same time all the time. We're never just attacking the top. Even if it looks like we're just attacking the top, when we do those piercing palms to enter, all I'm doing is setting up my footwork and gaining ground so I can do other stuff. I haven't engaged yet down here, but I really am. I'm making you step or move you so I can control you from out here. So, yeah, do it on the opposite side. Yeah. Remember, this is just against the lead punch, and everybody, lead punch is faster. When it's done right, you can hit hard. It works better against cross punch. It's just, it works. You have to move a little different, naturally. Yeah, you stopped me. But yeah, just go ahead, go through. You'll see when you do it, it's easier and easier when you're not trying to pull back your weight. Yeah. Yeah, that was good.
Oh, I could have got my knee deep there.
Yeah, you didn't make contact, but you twisted my shoulders and then it went even though it was sloppy. That's the great thing about this technique. Even if it's not perfect, the physics is so good, it works if you do it more than halfway right. So the worst that's going to happen is you punch, even if I mess it up, this misses. Then I got this, well, I get to do it again, right? And then I can step and do another one. So the worst that happens is you don't hit me, even if we don't finish it off. It's really an underrated technique. That's why I have it practiced so much. When you get good at it and you can do it right, it allows you to do so many other things. Even if you do it wrong, you're still in a pretty good spot once you learn how to hit hard with striking the punch. So let's try it again, mirror side. Left side's always weird, people. So I'm gonna go slow so you can get the feeling. When you ooze in, you just slip in, hit my thigh, and twist my shoulder, pushing my head back. And merging your skeleton with mine, and that's it. Yeah, remember the idea is, the primary thing, aside from structure, movement, and chi flow, is you're punching me in the head. You still want to be able to punch me in the head as hard as you can. So if you try to avoid it too much, what happens is you change the way your body comes in. So you can still not throw me and just relax and ease into it, and it'll happen. Does that make sense? So yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good because you would have. I can feel my body starting to twist out. That was the best one there. That was easy peasy. I felt myself immediately. Yeah. Good. All right, let's try the right side again. Yeah, you got that one down. See how it outside. I think it's right. I can tell you, timing's off and you're thinking about it. So, yes, that's it. That's it. So I would have got a piece of you, but you would have hit me hard and wrong. That's why we do it.